Today I'm cooking a dish of Apache potatoes with pesto, sun-dried tomatoes and bacon. And I'm using Albert Bartlett Apache potatoes. The great thing about this dish is that it's using store-cupboard ingredients, everything that's to hand. First job, need to cut up the potatoes. So depending on the size, just cut them in half so as they're all approximately the same size. These are really lovely potatoes. Cook the potatoes in boiling salted water until they're just tender, almost cooked, and then drain them. Now that the potatoes are cooking, I need to get some bacon on. Now I've got some really good quality bacon here. A warm pan, not too hot, but you can hear the sizzle. The bacon is sizzling away there. I want it to go nice and brown and crisp. We've got some dried tomatoes in oil. I'm going to use some of this oil as well so we don't waste anything. I'm just going to cut these in half. Back to our bacon. Oh yeah, we've got a lovely sizzle going on here. Once the bacon is fully cooked, I'm just going to transfer it onto a plate with a bit of kitchen towel there. That's going to drain and just cool down. In this pan we've got all the flavour of the bacon. It's all sticky and oily, it's delicious. I don't want to waste that. I'm just going to add more flavour, a little drop of tomato oil in there, and then the potatoes. So they're almost cooked. They've been boiled for about 10-15 minutes. Just going to put them in the same pan as we cook the bacon. Shake them about in this pan and you'll see they're picking up all the flavour of the bacon. They're a bit like sponges. They'll sponge up all that lovely flavour. Touch of seasoning. Now I'm going to add the dried tomatoes. A little bit of pesto. You can be quite generous with this. Everything is ready now. Lovely and crunchy. Few shards of parmesan, and to finish off, a bit of fresh basil. And there we go, that can go to the table. So there we have it, Albert Bartlett Apache potatoes with pesto, dried tomatoes and bacon. I'm using these great Albert Bartlett Apache potatoes. They are delicious, a little bit floury, but a lovely nutty flavour. Perfect for this dish.